Hi everyone, Charlie Lees here. I've recorded this message to help us all look after our mental health and stay healthy as possible during lockdown, during this terrible time as we deal with the impact of COVID-19. This impact that's felt on an individual level, with insecurity, isolation and stigma, and on a community level because of massive disruption with work and school closures and deficient distribution of essential items, etc., that can really play havoc and cause emotional reactions in all of us, stress, depression, anxiety, fear, insomnia, irritability, frustration, anger, boredom, the full remit. So how can we help ourselves? How can we help build a bit of resilience in and around this? Working from home is challenging, I get it. Staying at home is challenging with young children, etc. So we need to look after ourselves, we need to look after our immediate environment, we need to eat well, and we need to stay hydrated. Taking care of our mental health is a really important part of this. We need to try, if we can, to stay connected with people, and I think video messaging is a fantastic way of doing that. Decide on a daily routine and stick to it, including sleep patterns. Try to keep active where you are able, maybe 30 minutes of light exercise a day. And if you can, do it outside so you can get some fresh air, some vitamin D, some sunlight, and some nature as well. Finding time and ways to keep our brains active and stimulated, but taking care about news and information, and trying to have a strategy for if we're feeling anxious, claustrophobic, or trapped and dealing with that. It's a really difficult time. Please do what you can to look after yourselves. I'll link information below from the charities where I've extracted some of this information, the mental health organizations that can really help all of us moving forwards. Look after yourselves. It looks like we're in for a marathon rather than a sprint. We need to work our way through isolation and lockdown so that we keep our mental health in one piece. If you are struggling, please reach out for help. There will still be people there to help. Thanks.